Hey guys, so today we're going to look at the new song that we're introducing in church called Not Today by Hillsong. It's a really good song. So the guitar part's pretty straightforward. There's only a couple of little lines here and there, but we're going to look at the original key of A. So the first part, which you'll hear in the intro and the verse, is just playing the A. So I'm just palm muting with my right hand, and I'm just playing the A, the root note, and all I'm doing is just doing that rhythm. So the song is 1, 2, 3, 4. And you've got that drum hit on the snare in between, so that goes basically throughout the intro and verse. Then in the pre-chorus, you got this little line. So basically, I'm just playing like an A shape, but I'm hammering on with my ring finger, letting it ring out. 4, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes into the chorus there. The chorus, pretty straightforward. If you've got two guitars, you can be a bit more fancy, but maybe if you just got one guitar, just play. I'm just playing like an A triad shape, just playing the chords basically, just quite rhythmically. So 1, 2, I sing the night. So that's basically the chorus. Then it goes into an instrumental, and if you want to play the lead line on the guitar, maybe chuck a bit of boost, a bit of gain, a bit of delay on. The lead line there is just and repeat. So while the chords underneath are going and over the top of that, you've got this line. So that's basically it. And then you do the verse again. Then once again, pre-chorus, let it ring out. 3, 4. And then you've got your chorus. There is another line over the top of the chorus. So if you want to play that, you can. I just don't think it'll quite cut through, but if you've got two guitars, then I guess you can, you can give that a go. Play it over the top. In the bridge, it cuts right down, and it's just kind of like, if you put a little bit of delay on, you can just kind of pick through the chords in the recording. That's what it does. So I think it's, sorry. Then back into the chorus. When it goes to that next chorus, then you can play the little. Because that's kind of like a build, and so you'll be singing the chorus. Let the devil know not today. No, not today, not today, not today. I sing the night. And then it goes straight back into the chorus again. So yeah, it's pretty easy. There's only a couple of lines. If you're playing it in different keys, you can just transpose it up and down. But that's basically it.